Newly renovated public areas and guest rooms, total hotel renovation. Courtyard by Marriott Los Angeles Pasadena/Old Town is conveniently located off I-210, just 27 miles from LAX Airport. It features an outdoor swimming pool. Free Wi-Fi is provided throughout the hotel. All guest bedrooms at Courtyard by Marriott Los Angeles Pasadena/Old Town are air-conditioned and are equipped with satellite TV, a radio, and an iPod docking station. In addition, every room features a well-lit work desk. Guests can go for a workout in the on-site fitness center. Courtyard by Marriott Los Angeles Pasadena/Old Town is 2 miles from both the Pasadena Rose Bowl and the Kidspace Children's Museum. The hotel is 13 miles from Universal Studios and 9 miles from Dodger Stadium. Couples in particular like the location. They rated it 9.4 for a 2-person trip.